Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now we're gonna start with our math lesson for today, and we will start talking about comparing the objects by precision. Okay, what is precision? Precision in when I want to compare two objects, like for example when I want to use blocks to compare them with something else to measure the length. Let's see some examples. If I have these cubes with this pencil, I want to measure the length of this pencil and compare it with how many cubes it will be equal with. First of all, we will start doing something. I have 7 cubes. I will compare the length of them with this pencil. Let's see. First of all, I have to do something when I have two objects. I have to put them both on the same starting point. If you notice here, this is the end of the cubes and this is the end of the pencil. I will put a line here to know where should I start counting from. If you notice, this pencil's length equal with 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. So how many extra cubes longer than the length of the pencil here? 1, 2, 3. Great job, everyone. So 3 cubes are longer than the length of the pencil. So what is the length of the pencil according to the cubes that we have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great job. So the length of the pencil is equal to 4 cubes. So according to the 7 cubes that I have, the cube strain will be longer than the pencil's length. So I will circle them. Okay. Now we will go to watch this video together to see what do they mean. Let's start.
Welcome back. Today we're going to have some fun with paper clips. We're going to use them to compare the length and height of different objects. Let's begin by making a chain using these 2 paper clips. Now let's compare the length of the paperclip chain to the length of this pencil. We first need to make sure the ends of each object are lined up. Good. Now we can compare. Which is longer, the paperclip chain or the pencil? The pencil sticks out farther than the paperclip chain. Let's draw a circle around the pencil to show that it is longer than the paperclip chain. Let's use 3 paper clips to make a paperclip chain and compare it to a flower. Check to make sure the objects are lined up. Great! Which is taller, the flower or the paperclip chain? The flower is taller than the paperclip chain. We know the flower is taller because it sticks up farther than the paperclip chain when they are lined up. Which is shorter? The paperclip is shorter than the flower. Look at the penny and the paperclip. Are they lined up? Yes, they are. Now we can compare them. Which is longer, the penny or the paperclip? The paperclip is longer than the penny. Now it's your turn. Find a crayon and 3 paper clips in your room. Make a chain using the 3 paper clips. Is the crayon shorter or longer than the paperclip chain? If any of your classmates get a different answer than you do, try to figure out why their answer is different. That's all for now. Goodbye.
Okay guys, I wish you understood what do they mean, that we can use cubes or paper chains or any small separated objects to see the height of the length or the length of any other object. Then we can compare. So let's come to our page for today. We're gonna start with the first page. We will start comparing. First of all, in number 1, I have 5 cubes with this stick. What do you think? Which one is taller, the 5 cubes or this stick? To make it easier for you, I will start from this line. I will draw 5 cubes. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that the 5 cubes are longer than the stick. Okay, let's come to number 2. I have 1 cube starting from the line. I think it's shorter than the leaf, so I will circle the leaf and I will cross out the cube because it's taller. Let's go to the next page. I have here 3 cubes. I will draw my line and I will start comparing. 1, 2, and 3. The 3 cubes are taller than the nut, so I will cross it out. Let's come to number 4. What do you think about this pine? We will compare this pine with 7 cubes length. We will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the 7 cubes are longer than the pine. Okay, what about this leaf and the 4 cubes? We will start from our line here. Start comparing with drawing 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the 4 cubes are longer than the leaf. Okay, let's see the height of the flower compared with 6 cubes. We will start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the 6 cubes are longer than the flower's length. Okay, now we will start with number 7. We will circle the longer item or object. We will compare it with 5 cubes. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What do you think? Yes, so I will circle the tree to show that it's longer than the 5 cubes. I will give you a chance to do it. Okay, let's go to the next page. In the next page, I will make a cube trains to see how many cubes is this purple ribbon measure. So we're gonna start from the starting point. We will draw a line like this and we will start drawing cube train. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the ribbon is making 7 cube train. Great job, everyone. Okay, now I want to draw with this orange ribbon. Let's read the instructions here. We will Carlos says that he made a cube train that is 3 cubes long and that is longer than the length of the orange ribbon. Is it right or wrong? What do you think, guys? Let's start from this point. Draw this line and we do like Carlos. He drew 1, 2, and 3. Do you think the 3 cubes that Carlos drew are longer than the orange ribbon? No. So Carlos is wrong because the orange ribbon is longer than his 3 cubes. This was our lesson for today. I wish you enjoyed it and I'm waiting for your videos comparing with anything in your room